Hello, and welcome to the Global Knowledge Video Network, where we bring you only the best of what GK has to offer. Today, we're going to be talking about subnetting a Class B network and a banana. But first, let's focus on subnetting a Class B network.
Thanks. My name's Ben Johnson. Today we'll be looking at subnetting in binary. It's easy and it's very hard to make a mistake. Let's get started. What I'm going to do today is show you how to subnet in binary in 4 easy steps. Sometimes when you're taking the certification exam, you need to know what's exactly right fast. Hopefully this way will help you. To begin, you can see in the red area there must be givens. You'll be given a range, either subnets to be calculated or hosts, or possibly subnetwork masks. You'll also be given a range that may need to be calculated. The next thing you would do, you would move your line to represent the subnetwork mask. In this case, it's a /22. Next, you'd put a simple pattern. To the right of the line, you'll place all zeros, which will be your network or subnetwork number, all zeros and a 1, which will be the first usable IP address in the range, all 1s and a 0, which will be the last usable IP address in the range, and all 1s, which will be the network or the subnetwork broadcast. Once you complete the pattern, the next thing you'll do is place the binary value of the subnet you're calculating. In this example, it's 3. Once you complete this, you'll have your binaries as well as your decimal range. You'll notice in the pattern of all zeros, this will represent your network number or your subnetwork number, 170.139.12.0. All zeros and a 1 will represent your first usable IP address, 170.139.12.1. All 1s and a 0 will represent your last usable IP address in the range, 170.139.15.254. And all 1s represent your broadcast, 170.139.15.255. You'll note in the network area, the network number is always zeros, and in the broadcast area, they are always 1s. For more information, check out our videos in Connected Learning. With these foundational steps, you can calculate quickly any additional subnets that might be required. Back to you.
Thanks, Ben. Now that we have that out of the way, let's focus on the banana. Did you know that bananas are technically radioactive? They contain potassium-40, which is a radioactive isotope. Thanks for joining the Global Knowledge Video Network.